The XUV700 comes with modern BS6 engine that requires DEF Urea Fluid to treat the exhaust emissions. These easy steps will help you refill the DEF tank in less than 5 minutes. Always remember to turn off the engine before starting the procedure. Start by opening the fuel filler flap. You will see 2 lids. The one in blue color is for filling the DEF. Remove the DEF filler cap by rotating it in an anti-clockwise direction. Caution: only the filling pipe supplied with the DEF bucket is to be used for this purpose. Please avoid using a funnel or an unclean container for filling. Open the container and fix the filling pipe as shown. The filling pipe needs to be fitted onto the bucket spout on one end and the DEF tank on the other. Overfilling DEF, or in other words, filling more than 20-liter DEF, may result in the system or component failures. Once done, tighten the DEF filler cap by rotating it in clockwise direction. DEF is corrosive against paint and metal surfaces. In case it accidentally spills on a metal, plastic or rubber part, wipe it off immediately with a wet cloth or wash it with clean water. This will help avoid possible corrosion or discoloration. Don't forget to close the fuel filler flap. If you accidentally fill the DEF tank with diesel fuel, then the following components need to be replaced. Since diesel fuel impacts the seals and other components inside the DEF tank, the DEF tank along with supply module, dosing unit of STPS assembly with pipes and hoses.